Good morning, guys. Welcome. I'm really sore from the gym yesterday, so I don't know if I'm going today. But I do have an exciting video planned. So I'm gonna edit my video first, and then we'll discuss from there. See, now I wish it could rain, because if it rains now, it could snow. So my initial idea was to just show you around like the state's or the country's oldest library, but also to find photography books, because I just want to get into the photography books, see what I can find. The marble steps rise before me as I approach the Free Library of Philadelphia's Central Library, a grand arts building that has stood on the Benjamin Franklin Parkway since 1927. As one of America's oldest public libraries, these halls have welcomed generations of knowledge seekers. Stepping into the main hall, the soaring ceiling and intricate architectural details remind me that I'm entering a temple of learning. The sound of my footsteps echoes against the marble floors, joining the gentle whispers of fellow visitors. On the first floor, the grand lobby welcomes everyone: students, researchers, families, and dreamers. Where you can find the music section and the section that has movies, different popular culture readings. There's also the West Gallery. This gallery was filled with two people's stories of their past. Ascending to the second floor, I find myself in the art department and music department. The rare books, sheet music, and vast collections of records span centuries of human creativity. The heat is pumping in here. In the social science and history department, in these quiet corners, researchers pore over historical documents, genealogical records, and newspapers from centuries past. Each microfilm and document holds fragments of our shared story. And the Business Resource and Innovation Center is on the basement floor, and it helps entrepreneurs turn their dreams into reality. The third floor houses the literature department and the incredible rare book department, a treasure trove of human history, medieval manuscripts, and tablets. And first edition rests in climate-controlled cases telling stories across millennia. Between the towering shelves, sunlight streams through tall windows, casting a warm glow on countless spines. Every book represents someone's life's work, a piece of knowledge waiting to be discovered. The air carries that distinctive library scent, paper, binding glue, and wisdom accumulated over generations. Standing here, reading, looking at these photo books, surrounded by over 60 million items in the library's collection, I feel connected to every person who has ever sought knowledge within these walls, from Benjamin Franklin's time to today. this institution has remained true to its mission, keeping knowledge free and accessible to all. The Free Library stands as a reminder that in a world of rapid change, the pursuit of knowledge remains timeless. Here, anyone can become a scholar, a dreamer, and explorer, armed with nothing more than curiosity and a library card. As the afternoon light fades through the grand windows, I realize that libraries like this are more than buildings. They're portals to unlimited possibilities, guardians of our collective memories and promises kept to future generations. The Free Library of Philadelphia isn't just America's oldest library, it's a living monument to the power.
So I guess the rare book collection's not open. They might be like redoing it or putting new ones in, it depends. But there's a rare book collection here, which is cool. But yeah.
Of human knowledge, free and open to all.
It's a pretty cool library to see though. Highly recommend it. So I had to do some major surgery to the bottom of this lamp. As you can see, I had to like rip it all off because the screw was coming unattached. And I actually I was using it for a little photo shoot in the bathroom. And yeah, I had to do surgery. So now I don't know what to do. I'll probably just tape it back together, but if it comes loose again though, then I'll have to untape it and it'll be a whole mess. So I'm just leaving it like that for right now. Got the tapes taping, and yeah, I figured after that I'd do all these tapes. I'm gonna make like a video about me and like getting cameras and things like that, and what kind of started everything, I suppose.
I'm sentimental like that. I don't know.
So this camera is a Vivitar 880 HD flip cam. I got this in December 2011. That was 14 years ago. I cherished this thing because ever since the 5th grade, when we had school flip cameras like these, but they were like actually from the brand Flip, I was obsessed. And so I asked for one for Christmas, and this is what I received. And I love this. I made a bunch of videos with my friends around the neighborhood with this. It was just a really cool video camera to have. I want to also remind everybody, this is like a good reminder that everybody starts somewhere. And for me, that was starting all the way back in 2011, 14 years ago, with this purple camera that was pocketable and took an SD card and charged with a flip out USB. So it doesn't matter the camera, all that matters is the ideas behind the videos that you make. Bro, the screen is even broken. You see that line in the screen? Yo, that's crazy. Let's do a little... Oh, there we go. It's recording now, I think. Yeah. I am trying to get the live stream going to Nepal. I have a couple more minutes on my tape so that I can switch it out, and then I won't have to like get up mid-live stream and go switch it. So I'm just preparing the live stream and stuff, getting it ready now. And then we shall go to Nepal. The stream! Alright, so live stream is done. Now I'm gonna try and sell my GoPro. It's a, I don't even know where it is. It's a Hero 7. It's gonna be on my Poshmark. because I'm trying to upgrade and get something better. It does have a small, like, slight crack in it, but it's still fully waterproof. It doesn't, like, it's not affected by it. But yeah, so if you want to buy it, check out the Poshmark link in the description below, because that would be cool if you want to get the GoPro that I had. I have no energy for anything today. This is what happens when I like live stream. After it, I'm just like so tired mentally. My body already hurts physically, so that's enough for that. Oh. Hi, Rose.